Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use reverse tunnel option while setting up Spotipo servers to work with Unify controllers. But first, I want to explain what reverse tunnels are. Reverse tunnels are used to create a secure direct connection between your Unify controller and our Spotipo servers, without exposing your Unify controller to the public internet. This makes it a great option for maximum security, and it is especially useful if you don't have a public IP address. So, if you're interested in setting up reverse tunnels, follow this guide. Before we start this setup, it is important to note that it requires either SSH or debug mode to access your Unify controller. Without those two, you cannot run the script and you cannot complete this setup. To start off, in your Spotipo dashboard, we need to go to Settings and Unify Settings. From here, we can click on the settings icon in the top right corner. This opens up a wizard which contains 6 steps. First, you're being asked to choose between self-installed software and Unify OS. If you're using self-hosted or cloud servers for your Unify controller, please select self-installed software option. For devices such as UDM, UCG, Unify Ultra, Express or similar, please use Unify OS. In this guide, we'll be using Unify Express, so Unify OS is the way to go. In the next step, you're being asked to choose between direct connection and reverse proxy. Since this guide is focused on reverse proxy, we're going to use that. Here, you're given a script that you need to use with your Unify controller. For this script to be used, you either need to have a self-hosted server, which has SSH enabled, or you need to enable SSH or debug tools on your Unify controller console. We have a guide on that as well, so you can follow it down below. Since we have SSH enabled on our machine, we'll just proceed with copying the script line. Once this is copied, it needs to be pasted to SSH terminal. Now that we are in the SSH terminal, all that's left to do is copy the script and let it run by pressing enter. You need to let the script run for a minute or two, and after some time, you'll get this output if everything ran successfully. If everything has ran correctly in your Unify controller, you can go back to Spotipo and finish up the setup. Simply click next, and if the connection was successful, you'll be prompted on to step 4. And since this guide is only focusing on reverse tunnel setup, you'll need to follow one of our other guides to finish this up. Thank you for watching, and if you have any issues, please contact support.